Coming to the second bit, name the type of quadrilateral formed by the following points: -3, 5, 3, 1, 0, 3 and -1, -4. So, moving on to the solution, let the given points be A. -3, 5, B. 3, 1, C. 0, 3 and D. -1, -4. Here, in the question, he has asked to find the type of quadrilateral formed by these points. So, for this, we need to find the distances AB, BC, CD and AD, which are nothing but the lengths of the sides of the quadrilateral ABCD, and also we need to find the lengths AC and BD, which are the diagonals of the quadrilateral ABCD. We know that the distance between two points P x1, y1 and Q x2, y2 is given by PQ equals to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Let us take the first 2 points A -3, 5 and B 3, 1. By applying distance formula, we get length AB equals to under root of 3 minus of -3 whole square plus 1 minus 5 whole square, which is equal to under root of 3 minus of -3 is 3 plus 3, which is nothing but 6 square, plus 1 minus 5 is -4, so -4 square. That is equal to under root of 6 square is 36 plus -4 square is 16, which is equal to under root of 36 plus 16 is 52. We can write 52 as 4 times of 13, which is nothing but 2 root 13. Let us take the second pair of points B 3, 1 and C 0, 3. By applying distance formula, we get length BC equals to under root of 0 minus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 1 whole square, which is equal to under root of -3 square plus 3 minus 1 is 2 square. That is equal to under root of -3 square is 9 plus 2 square is 4. Here 9 plus 4 is 13, that is equal to root 13. Let us take the next 2 points C 0, 3 and D -1, -4. By distance formula, we get length CD equals to under root of -1 minus 0 whole square plus -4 minus 3 whole square, that is equal to under root of -1 square plus -7 square, which is equal to under root of -1 square is 1 plus -7 square is 49, which is equal to under root of 1 plus 49 is root 50. Now taking the points A -3, 5 and D -1, -4, we get length AD by the distance formula equals to under root of -1 minus of -3 whole square -1 minus of -3 whole square plus -4 minus 5 whole square, which is equal to under root of -1 minus of -3 whole square is -1 plus 3 whole square, which is nothing but 2 square, plus -4 minus 5 whole square is -9 square. That is equal to under root of 2 square is 4 plus -9 square is 81, which is equal to under root of 81 plus 4 is 85. Now let us take the points A minus 3 comma minus 3 comma 5 minus 3 comma 5 and C 0 comma 3. By applying distance formula, we get length AD equals to under root of 0 minus of minus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square, which is equal to under root of 0 minus of minus 3 is 0 plus 3, which is nothing but 3 square, plus 3 minus 5 whole square, which is nothing but minus 2 square. That is equal to under root of 3 square is 9 plus minus 2 square is 4, which is equal to root 13. Now let us take the points B 3 comma 1 and D and D minus 1 comma minus 4. By applying distance formula, we get length BD equals to under root of minus 1 minus 3 whole square plus minus 4 minus 1 whole square. That is equal to under root of minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4, so minus 4 square plus minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5 square, which is equal to under root of minus 4 square is 16 plus minus 5 square is 25. That is equal to under root of 25 plus 16 is 41. Here we got AB equals to 2 root 13, BC equals to root 13, CD equals to root 50, AD equals to root 85, AC equals to root 13 and BD equals to root 41. We see that BC plus AC equals to root 13 plus root 13, that equals to 2 root 13, which is nothing but AB. Hence, from this we can say that the points A, B and C are collinear. In the given 4 points, if 3 points are collinear, they cannot form quadrilateral. So, ABCD is not a quadrilateral.